Learning computer science and working as a software engineer are two very different things. Here are 4 VS Code extensions that'll instantly make you a faster and cleaner web developer. Extension number 1, Prettier. Prettier automatically formats your code based on consistent rules. No more worrying about tabs versus spaces, missing semicolons, or line wrapping. Just hit save and your code is clean. Set it to format on save in your settings so you never have to think about it again. Prettier is great for keeping teams in line with styling and format. Extension number 2, gitlens. Gitlens shows you who wrote each line of code and why. Hover over a line and it'll show the git blame, commit message, and timestamp for each. This is perfect for understanding legacy code or knowing who to ask before making a change in the codebase. Extension number 3, eslint. Eslint helps catch errors before you run your code. It'll do this by highlighting unused variables, missing imports, or strange patterns right there in your editor. Think about it this way. It's basically your code's grammar checker, and when you're working with a team, it helps keeps everyone's code consistent. And finally, extension number 4, live server. This is great if you're working with HTML, CSS, or basic JavaScript. What live server does is it spins up a local dev server and then auto reloads the browser every single time you save. No need to switch tab or hit refresh. With live server, you'll see your changes instantly. These are the kinds of tools that make everyday work smoother and help you focus on writing good, clean code. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And if you want to see more content like this, feel free to subscribe. And if you want to see some front-end portfolio projects that I'd use to get hired, click here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.